اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
The island. It's a map of the island.
It's antique.
I'd say hundreds of years old. Probably Byzantine? There is a lot of those around here.
Look, Amicia! There's the drawing!
What drawing?
The drawing of the Order!
Yes! I see it!
What order?
A very ancient order of alchemists. You overheard us on the boat, Sophia. Hugo is sick. It's not contagious. Still, the Order wanted to lock him away to do whatever they pleased. But
you kneel to no one. I get it. So, what did you come here looking for?
whatever can help him.
It's simple. If this symbol indicates important areas, that one... Well, that one is pretty hard to miss.
The teeth!
They're called Las Madres, the mothers.
Oh.
I know, boring.
It makes sense. Let's go visit those mothers then.
Those teeth. Are you coming with us?
If you want me to. I told you, I owe you.
Come on then.
Yes, we are gonna climb.
The view from up there must be quite a sight.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. Come on. Up.
Yes. Look! There's a house in the teeth!
Yes. Some kind of temple?
Sanctuary. That's what I've heard it called. And now I'm even more curious about it.
Sold. This is our first stop. It seems so nice.
So we've got a magic bird, an ancient order of alchemists. The little one has visions. Well, just what else can I expect?
Hugo's sickness is special. Our mother's an alchemist, but she couldn't do anything about it. It's almost like a curse.
Who could curse such a cute baby?
I'm not a baby!
It's the bloodline. This thing goes back to the dawn of times. It's unfair, but this is real, Sophia. In Guyenne, the Inquisition came after us over this. We barely made it here.
It was horrible. They killed everybody.
Damn. All right. We'll find what you came for. You have my word.
Thank you. That's it! The path to the sanctuary.
So we're done here for now?
Yes, let's go. It's gonna be quite a walk.
First to the top!
Hey, easy, I don't want to carry you!
Chicken!
Are you tired? We've been walking a while.
It's not as high as it looked.
Don't be disappointed. We're not there yet.
Looks like someone's more tired than you.
I don't like mountains. Everything I need is at sea level.
I like mountains. They're big and tall, so when you're on top of it, you're big and tall too.
You know, it's his first time climbing one.
Well, in that case, let's be big and tall together. Damn, it's getting hot. Oh.
Look, we're almost at the sanctuary.
Do you know what almost means?
Come on, it will be worth the sweat. Look at the size of it.
So what do you expect to find up there?
I want to see the real bird. Or the tree. Or the pond.
I'd prefer an elixir. Something to really help you, Hugo.
Maybe the bird will have it. Oh, spring water.
How can he run in this heat?
Child skill. He can also fall asleep in a snap. It looks so fresh.
It is.
Just what I need anyway.
Hey, Hugo, you have some dirt on your face.
I'll get it for you.
Water attack!
Hey! Counterattack. For the Daroons, all right. I yield.
For the
You soaked me to
Daroons!
death.
I win!
A sailor defeated by water.
He shot me in the eyes, all right?
I did it on purpose.
That's my brother. Talk about a family.
Well done, Hugo.
I'll have my revenge.
That sanctuary's huge.
Yes. Carving that must have hurt.
Oh, goats. There are a lot of Amicia.
Don't be scared. They much prefer their olive leaves to little children.
Yes, but they scream.
I'm here.
Well. Our fierce warrior is afraid of goats?
There are too many.
You're heading to the child sanctuary?
We are.
Oh, I'm afraid you're too late. They closed the gate, as you can see, for the ceremony.
A ceremony? Oh, we came all this way for the little one.
Ah, well, that goat path to the side will take you closer, but you'll have to look from afar. The Count and Countess are up there, and the guards are on edge since yesterday's mess. They won't take kindly to uninvited guests.
We'll keep that in mind. Thank you.
Oh, by the way, if you stumble on Tramontane, please send her back here. She's one of my goats.
We'll try.
Good luck, then.
I hope she won't attack us.
Oh, come on. It's a goat, not a wolf.
But they scream.
Oh, they do. So they locked down the sanctuary. Just our luck.
On the bright side, you don't lock a place down if it doesn't hold something important.
Yes. I'm even more curious now.
Listen. Is that the goat you talked about?
Tramontane, yes.
Inside this house, maybe. Locked.
Are we going to help her?
That's what heroes do.
All right.
There may be another way in. Come on, let's keep going.
But Tramontane.
She'll find her way back, don't worry. Goats are climbers.
The sanctuary's more important for now.
Thank you for your offerings. Sorry to push you out, but the ceremony will begin soon.
Soldier.
Oh, no problem. Make sure no trouble
Climb up.
arises. Yes, we had enough violence yesterday. The child must
Come
have
on,
hated it.
up.
We'll be especially careful. Don't worry.
Good.
Well, thank you, Arno.
What do we do with the last offerings?
They stay here for now. We'll bring them up
Careful.
there after the ceremony.
Looks like they really like their privacy here. How will we cross that gate? There's no way we can attack them. We get jailed or
What's moving
worse.
there?
I have a trick.
Better take a
There's
closer
prison.
look.
Focus. Careful. Don't forget I'm here. Try that distraction from my prison. It worked. Great. Move as soon as he's gone. It never lasts long. Got it.
That cloud of smoke.
Sophia, your prison
Better
would
have
help.
a look.
It won't take long to burn.
Must have been nothing. Smoke.
They make it so
Where?
easy. Sophia, your trick will help here. Time to burn some grass.
We have company, you idiots. Now I know where you're hiding.
He knows we're here.
We have company. Let me know if you see anything. Search the area. We've got company. There's intruders in the area. Stop searching.
For intruders. Let me know if you see anything. Understood.
Someone's lurking about. Let me know if you see anything.
Sophia, your prison would help. It won't take long to burn.
They're behind that. Sure of it.
Sophia, can you use your prism? Let's capture the light.
What's that smoke?
Works every time.
Damn hot, right? These damn uniforms.
Just a false alarm.
Sophia, your prism would help. It won't take long to burn.
What? Where's that smoke coming from?
Come on, it works.
Nothing to worry about.
Sophia, can you use your prism? Let's capture the light. Sophia, your prism would help. It won't take long to burn.
Hey. Hell's making that smoke?
Works every time. Here's the door. Let's be quick.
Fine. I was wrong again.
Sophia, can you use your prism? Let's capture the light.
There are intruders in the area. Start looking.
We've
Come
got
on,
company.
it works.
Stay alert.
Find them.
Works every time. They make it so easy.
We have trespassers. Keep your eyes peeled.
Sophia, your prism It won't take long to burn.
They did that. No doubt.
Hey?
We have company. Let me know if you see anything.
That prism is magic.
It is, but we're not there yet.
All right, let's get to work. Let's see what can be done. Through here, I guess.
Oh, it's very high.
Oh, wow. Stick to the wall. Keep going.
It makes me dizzy.
Oh, shit. Bloody hell. You're all right. There. Oh, all right, all right. I don't like your stunts, kid.
I want to go.
Yes, let's keep moving. We're here. We made it. You all right, Hugo? I'm sorry. It was way too risky.
I'm better now.
Thank you, Sophia. It's nothing. It's just my worst nightmare. We should walk a bit. On solid ground.
Oh, all those flowers.
That must be for their ceremony.
Soldiers! the
Soldiers,
ceremony
to cover,
will
quick.
soon. Open your eyes!
Heavy armor. Wow. Arno really kept them on their toes. Looks like we're crossing a line here.
Getting spotted's not an option anyway. We'd either get killed or kicked off the island.
Sophia, can you use your prism? Time to burn some grass.
Have they found more of Arno's men?
Don't think so.
That main path is too crowded. Let's go around.
Careful.
Bastards. Spoiling the most important time of the year.
What?
That's a lot of security for a ceremony.
That's what a place usually looks like.
Wait,
What's that?
Huh? Better have a look.
He's looking for us.
Huh? What's that sound? Nothing.
Come along. Up.
more of them.
Sophia, you're
Smoke.
They make it so easy.
Have a look. Must have been nothing. The hell? Strange.
Sophia, your trick will help you. Time to burn some grass.
Hey. Smoke? What's going
Works
on?
every time. Come on, it works.
Area clear.
Sophia, your present would help. Let's capture the light.
The hell's making that smoke?
They make it so easy.
Hey,
Rob,
the Count wants no
again.
soldier inside the sanctuary, all right?
Got it! Will be sacrilege anyway. The child needs peace, not weapons.
Sophia, can you use your prism? Time to burn some grass.
What? Smoke? What's going on?
Works every time.
Great. False alarm.
That's a lot of security for a ceremony. That's what a place usually looks like after quiet.
That sounded suspicious. I'll go check. Place is clear.
Again? And I'm on my own here? False alarm again. Should have known.
Sophia, have you heard anything about the Order during your visit? No, only the child, the mother, and the father.
Maybe because they're too old.
Maybe. There goes our visit.
May the mother's voice reach the child.
No, we were making good progress.
There's a big broken tower there. Maybe we could climb it.
There are stairs, I think. Could be an abandoned access point. Well spotted. Let's try it.
That smoke looks odd.
Works every time.
Better not happen a third time.
We can do this. They're probably distracted by the ceremony up there.
What ceremony is it?
Good question. Well, we'll see once we're there. Sophia, your trick will help you. It won't take long to burn.
Hey!
We've got trespassers! Stay alert!
Hell's
Straight away!
Works every time.
Company!
They make it so easy. They make it. Sophia, can you use your prism? Let's capture the light.
Smoke?
Come on, works every time.
I can't see anyone.
Up there. We're doing it, my friends. We're getting there. Yes. How do you feel, Hugo?
I feel funny, but good. I'm sure there's something inside the mountain.
I feel it too. Well, I'm trusting you both.
Everyone! It is almost time!
Gather round, please.
It's the Count and the Countess.
It seems we're right on time.
We're still waiting for a few latecomers. Feel free to come closer in the meantime.
Latecomers. I'd say that's us.
What are we going to do?
We'll think about it.
Friends and children, today marks the longest day of the year. The light of the summer solstice shines upon us once again.
And yet, in these cold hallways, hidden from the sun, the Child of Embers still slumbers.
It is time to bring the flame of the Phoenix
The Phoenix.
to his dormant
That's your
embers.
bird.
Thus will we prove that we deserve to care for him. Like mother.
Like father.
Let us pray together before we enter.
Come.
What do you think? Bold, but believable.
Are we dressing up?
Open your mind and heart. It is now time to tell his tale.
So that it is never forgotten.
What do we do?
Let's follow them on our turn and do what they say. They mustn't recognize us.
Yes.
Come on.
Centuries ago, a child was born on this land. His heart was blessed by the sun, from which he inherited the flame that rules everything. And so was born the Child of Fire.
What? His flame shone over the world. He blessed it with his perfume, his laughter, his joy.
Of all places, La Cuna was his home. It became a land of life and peace, a place to heal, to thrive. La Cuna became a cradle of light.
But light tempts evil.
And evil knows no mercy.
Come.
A child on a throne, in an order temple.
It's him, the Child of Embers.
Take your place at our sides.
Look, the drawing.
It's the carrier of the macula. That fresco was in Mother's laboratory at home.
Please kneel. Evil found the child inside these very halls. It fed on his fire, weakened it, marked his flesh with coal-black scars. His mother's arms couldn't warm him anymore.
And so his light faded, almost entirely. And the Child of Fire turned into the Child of Embers.
Lord!
A dark era began. Men forgot about him, but we did not. This flame is the last gleam of his light. Our hope. And now, two of you, a woman and a child, will carry it through his night. You. Your heads are bent. Your humility honors you. You will walk his flame through his darkest hours. Take it. You will walk in his steps. Know the cold that bites the flesh, the drowning in the absence of light, the uncertainty. You will see the child die through the eyes of his mother. You will be the victim and the witness. Keep that torch alive at all costs.
The carriers have been chosen. Take your places.
What do we do?
We have to play along. Let's cross.
Go forth and bring him the light. Much depends on it.
This is unreal. Those frescoes. The plague. They think it was caused by the child's death.
So they don't know the macula.
I don't think so. They interpreted all this. They made a god out of the carrier of the macula.
Amicia, the water will put out the torch.
I think it's part of their ritual. Drowning in the absence of light.
I'm cold.
It's over. We'll soon warm up.
It was horrible.
But you did it.
I thought I was drowning.
Calm down. You're fine now.
No, I'm scared.
The child is gone.
Just walk. I'm with you.
He's dying in his mother's arms. Evil has won. Centuries pass. Famine, war, and plague descend on us. He dreams of fire reborn.
You are back and your torch is gone. You are not alone anymore.
The child must meet his mother again.
His embers glow in the dark. I am the mother, and I welcome him. Pass it to me. You did well.
The child must rise again.
Hear me, child. I am not barren anymore, for your flame lives in me. I am the mother. Become the phoenix, the child of fire reborn.
Join us. Blow on these flames.
The phoenix. It's the phoenix.
Shh. Yes, I see it.
It's real. Even if it is the order, it's all true.
breeze of life reignite his flame.
Hey, it's me. Sophia, come. I found a passage back there. It's now or never.
May the breeze of life reignite his flame.
May the breeze of life reignite his flame. May the breeze of life reignite his flame. May the breeze of life reignite his flame.
Elsie, we're gone. Not for now. We all look the same. Are you alright? I saw a phoenix on that door and then the crags. You did well. They look busy. Shall we go?
This is unbelievable.
No kidding.
A child's throne. He lived here.
They're Child of Embers.
There's no Child of Embers. I told you about the Order. This place belonged to them. And this child on the frescoes? It's the carrier of the Prima Macula.
The Prima Macula. This just gets better and better.
Alchemists call it the first corruption. It awoke in Hugo's blood when he was a baby. It keeps growing inside him.
And it's killing him.
That's what this whole place is about. The advent of a carrier of the macula. The Order gathering around him, studying him, trying to find a solution. And the rats.
Let me guess. Death, war, disease, and famine.
Not only. The rats are... Anyway, they got it all wrong. There's no Child of Embers that will come and save the world. It's a fantasy they crafted to fit their hopes.
All of it sounds like a crazy fantasy to me.
Part of it is true. The part that can save him. The only part that matters. Basilius and Aelia.
Nothing's changed. That water's not magic.
The water? Oh, from the healing pond in your dream. It's like a symbol. Like Mother's alchemic joys.
Stagnating water is rarely magic.
Hey, come see. That's his throne. And this, I think, is his name.
Basil?
He was a carrier just like you. You're not the only one. That's why you dreamt of all this. Something called you here, and for a good reason. I mean, look at this place. If there's a cure, it has to be here.
And who is Aelia?
It looks like there is more to this place behind here.
Let's keep looking. Come, I'm sure there are extraordinary things waiting. What's all this?
Are we the first to come in here?
Oh, a tent!
You're right. It looks untouched.
Too sacred for them, maybe?
Hey, do you know whose room it is?
It is! It's Basilius's room.
Just imagine. He was living here, playing here, sitting where you sit. Isn't that astonishing?
Yes!
And he loved tents, just like you.
You love tents? Me too.
He had a phoenix.
Yes. Maybe he dreamt the same dream as you. Let's see what else he left us.
Wow!
That's a warrior's room.
Not just any warrior. Look at the shape of the armor.
What of it?
It's a lady's armor.
Oh, Aelia. This is her room, of course. She was his protector.
Protector?
The carrier's personal guard. Like me for Hugo.
She looked strong.
Sword and spears.
Wow, look at the axe too.
I wonder if they were put to use.
They built this place to avoid it. The carrier draws attention.
Valuable tiny creatures.
Look, wax tablets. They're carved.
He drew her. And there, he drew himself with her. He loved her.
It looks like they spent a lot of time together. Just like us.
This is so strange.
It is. Let's keep on. This is crazy.
I feel like I know them. Like Basil could have been my friend.
I know what you mean.
Oh, look.
Huh. That bird again.
Its shape. It's the Order's symbol.
The phoenix is the Order. It's just that.
Sorry, boy.
But no.
That explains why it stands above the child on their frescoes.
They thought they were better than him. They didn't care about him.
It doesn't change why we're here. Come, let's finish this first, right? I'll be damned.
What's this now?
An alchemy laboratory.
Can we go back now?
But it looks exactly like what you're searching for, no?
Yes, but...
No, you're right. Look for anything that could lead to an elixir. A potion, like books, drawings, maybe raw materials.
On it.
That. Oh, I don't even know what it's used for. Come on, give me something.
There's nothing much. Oh.
A phoenix. Look for a phoenix. What were they making in these things? Lord, give me something, please. This is all centuries old. What do you expect? Empty. No! What the hell?
Hey! Quieter. We'll find something.
Sorry. Lucas would know. He would. Hugo, did you find something?
This table. They put him on it.
Wait, I'm coming. Hey, something's wrong?
I'm sure they hurt him too.
Hey, I know things aren't turning out the way you expected, but...
Nothing ever changes, Amicia.
But Aelia wouldn't let them hurt him, right?
You let her done?
No! I tried to stop it, but...
I know. You tried. Sorry.
Hey, come here, you two.
Sophia? Where are you?
Upstairs.
How did you get there?
Look behind the curtains.
Come on, Hugo.
What is this?
No door. Some sort of observation hallway? What have you found?
Your alchemist library. Looks like they were observing the child from here.
Like he was in a cage.
We're right above the laboratory table.
It's wrong.
Imagine these bastards standing there, looking at him.
We have to focus on what they learned.
I may have a lead.
Any mention of a cure?
No, but they took other notes.
What is it?
Your alchemists wrote down everything that happened to the carrier. It's sorted by date. The last entry was in the year 541.
541? What does it say?
I haven't studied Latin since the convent, but it talks about Basilius. And, Aelia Dragus, his protector.
It really did all happen. They were just like us.
What happened to them?
The Order took away the carrier from her. She rebelled and was arrested close to a round tower. They took her to a capella, a chapel, inside a fort.
And Basilius, where is he?
It doesn't say.
Well, we have something to go on. A fort, a round tower.
They're coming.
We're lucky they didn't come sooner.
Yes, let's get out of here fast.
Through there.
Risky, but the water will help.
Let's try.
The water.
Careful, it's a big gap.
May this putrid water seal our determination.
To stand by your side, day and night.
I feel your sickness.
I share your pain.
We will protect you.
We will care for you.
I am the father. I am waiting for you.
I am the mother. I am waiting for you. Join us. Whenever you feel ready, we are.
How can they stand in that water? They look so eager to have this child. It's sad they're so wrong.
Just like me. They still don't know they're wrong yet. They'll be sad.
Hugo, these things you dreamt of, they existed. You just couldn't know what they really meant.
It meant things would be easy and nice.
It doesn't mean things won't get better.
Are you sure?
Your dream showed us another truth. But it is a truth. We can still use it to change everything.
Maybe.
Oh, we're almost there. Wow, that's pretty unpleasant.
I wish you could have seen my dream. At first it was scary, but you would have seen the flowers.
Keep talking about it, please.
The tree smelled so nice. It had branches like hair. It looked so gentle.
Go on.
And the water, it felt like it could clean anything. Not like this one.
That's nice, Hugo. We're there.
That was... Spend a full week at sea with my crew. Changes your notion of stench forever.
That was enough for me. Let's go to that fort. Hugo?
There was no fort in my dream.
Maybe, but your dream put us on the right track. Look at all we've learned. Now we just have to find out the rest.
Don't you want to know what happened to that Aelia? And your ancestor?
It's going to be all right.
Can we take these stinky clothes off now?
Yes, we should. All right. Like nothing happened.
We're good. Especially you. You're the sneakiest child I've ever met.
Look, if there's no fort in your dream, then we'll look for the round tower, all right?
All right.
And maybe they decorated the island even more.
So, that was... I don't even know what that was.
Me neither. But we have a lead.
Pragmatic. I like that. Why not check that map again, unless you know where that tower is?
Why not? That was quite something. But I still can't believe you went to a convent.
My mother came from a wealthy family. They weren't pleased they found out my father was a smuggler, so off to a convent I went to cleanse me of his sins.
It wasn't very effective, it seems.
I'd rather be a sinner and be free. So I escaped, I joined my father, and...
We must be careful. If my dream was wrong, more things can be wrong.
Hey, look around you. It's fine. We're centuries later, right?
She's right. We're with you.
On this brighter day, we celebrate the child of embers with our life, our joy, and the unity of the bond we all share with the mother. May the light of our souls wake the child from his deep slumber. May it lead him to our countess, brightest among the brightest souls, and make her heart complete. This may be the first day of a new era. Celebrate it! And may this night be brighter than your day!
Here we are. Looks like the real festivities have begun.
Let's pass through here. It'll be nice.
They still look happy.
Blessed be the child! Blessed be the mother!
Blessed be the days when he'll come back!
Look at them. They sure know how to celebrate.
What if they knew the truth?
They don't need it. And we don't need them to know.
I wish I was like them.
You just need to bounce back from this.
How do you do that?
You... think of something else.
That's our tower over there, right?
Well, a piece of it, at least.
Everything is so old here. How can there be anything that helps?
There will be. The past never dies, Hugo. Visions of it traveled through your dream, didn't they?
And that sanctuary still had a lot to tell.
We'll find something in that chapel. Almost there.
Hugo, wait. Would my knight conquer that tower for me?
What?
I want to see how you charge it. Claim it for me. Go.
Yes!
Stay in sight!
Yes!
Thanks. It's a bit hard for him.
I wanted to ask you, are you sure about all this? It seems like a heavy burden for him.
I know. And it is. That's why we're doing this.
Listen, we may not know each other well, but you're chasing ghosts. Ghosts that scare him.
We've gone through hell, Sophia. You can't imagine.
I can't. The question is, does he need more?
We have nothing else.
I believe you.
You're so slow.
Hey, be nice to old people.
You're not that old.
So is that tower ours yet?
No, the door is locked.
Locked from the other side.
Time to take a little look around?
Here.
So looks like we're
I didn't tell you, but Hugo is king, and I'm captain of his guard.
So you rule.
But you can be my smuggler.
A royal contract. I'm honored.
Don't forget we still have a real fort to conquer.
Ah, right. The fort and its chapel.
Through here. Mind the drop.
Yes.
Climb first.
Uh-huh.
Come with me. Let's go this way. Follow me. Careful with the drop here.
Very well.
I think that's it. Ready to go?
Yes. Let's get going. There it is. Let's hope this fort isn't as crowded as their sanctuary.
It surely doesn't sound as appealing.
I don't think the Count and Countess dug into the Order's writings. They must have considered the place too sacred.
There is only one way to find out.
Yes. Let's move. What's going on?
There's a storm coming.
How can you tell?
Trust me. He's sad. All this because of a dream.
When's the last time a dream meant everything to you?
The day I stopped being a child. Hey! That's a pretty flower.
You want it?
Of course.
There was a time when I was the one getting the flower.
Time passes, sweetheart. They grow up.
All right. Let's get to this fort. Quickly.
We could stay here. I like it here.
Staying here won't help you, Hugo. We must move. Plus, there's a storm coming.
So, Hugo, you ever offered a flower to a lady your age?
No, I prefer feathers now.
Ah, moving on to something more exciting. Flowers, feathers...
Feathers are better.
Why?
Because they make you fly.
I get it.
Well, don't fly away right now, please.
Small problem here.
How are we going to cross?
Let's see down there.
Worm-eaten.
Don't get so close.
That bridge looks about to collapse.
Let's see if we can finish it. Maybe with my crossbow? Yes!
Is it going to work?
Hopefully. Well, it worked.
The golden staircase up.
Will it hold?
Just don't jump on it.
Wow, look at that view.
Beautiful. You're missing the sea already?
Not yet, but it will come back.
But you're not leaving now, right?
No, not until I've repaid my debt to your sister.
What?
She didn't tell you. She saved my life.
Oh, well...
I'm glad she did.
Well, me too.
Oh, look.
There's our fort.
It's big. It's... scary.
That building on the left. It looks like our chapel, no?
I think, yes.
Perfect. Let's keep following the coastline.
Amicia, there's blood.
Oh no.
Our body.
What?
He's chained up.
We have to go back.
No, we need to get to that chapel.
Amicia, we've got a dead man here.
We'll be careful.
We need to be.
Let's go. Come on. Up.
Yes.
Oh.
friend!
What?
Enjoy your freedom!
Another one. Shh, quiet. What the hell? He's right above us.
Damn bastard made me sweat!
Who is it? Don't know. Stay low.
Discipline.
There's more.
I got that one. The others ran away.
Shit.
Keep watch in case they come back to try and free the rest. I'll take this one back.
Understood.
The others.
Let me go, pig!
Oh, I will. Soon. I want quiet. Kill any trespassers.
Damn it. Who are they?
I'd say the slavers by the looks of it.
Slavers?
They capture people and sell them like animals.
Really? But that won't stop us.
I think...
You made a mistake! Come in here! How dare you!
Bastard.
Amicia?
Yes, I'm here.
Are you hurt?
I'm fine, but they're prepared to kill. Let's not waste time.
Damn. I hope Milo's right. Can't lose any more men.
It's worth it. We've trusted...
Over here! Catch them!
They know we're here!
You, with me! Stop these intruders! Come with me! We've got intruders! You, with me! Stop these intruders!
Never seen you. We'll find another land. I don't like it. But I always end up having to do it. That's two. I know. And I don't want to know something.
Amicia! Amicia!
I'm sure it's...
Damn. What?
Never seen you do that.
I don't like it. But I always end up having to do it.
They must have something to do with it.
I know. And I don't want to know, Sophia. All right. Do what you have to.
I know you're still around, you bastard!
Hey, you right?
He's dead. We've got intruders! Easy to find you. Over here! Don't let him get away!
What do we do, Amicia?
Move! We got company! Come with me! We've got intruders! Move! We got company! Help me! Follow me! We have intruders! Full alert! Kill those intruders! Get there! Catch them! These intruders! Intruders here!
They saw us!
Some bastards here! Catch them! Over here! Don't let him get away!
They're coming!
Bastards can't have made it far. You! With me! Stop these intruders!
What do we do, Amicia?
Hey! Some bastards here! Catch them! After him!
They saw us!
Found them! This way!
They know we're here!
Come with me! We've got intruders!
What? Never seen you do that. I don't like it. But I always end up having... No.
Intruders here! Follow me! Let's catch them!
Hey, you, what's wrong? That's gotta be you.
I'll find a thing here.
The rats are not around, Amicia.
It was murder.
What's he doing? Wake up! You still with us? Hey! Dead. The killer's around.
see. We don't even know what's going on.
What is this place?
Not their hideout. Obviously. Which is probably somewhere near. Their leader. Yes, Milo. I know that name. Roams around the Mediterranean coast. Later.
It's broken.
We'll find another way.
Look, it's another chapel.
No. Temple. Let's cross this thing. We must find a path to the fort.
Milo's plan's scaring the shit out of me. We're meddling with things we can't control.
I know. So you're this way.
He's coming this way.
Hide all you want. They won't save you.
Huh?
Hey, knock it off. Watch out! Someone's attacking you.
Very funny. Now get up.
We've got intruders! Look for the bastards!
How many are there? Could be a lot. Milo's a big fish.
Slippery little bastards.
Sophia, your present would help. Time to burn some grass.
They did that. No doubt.
Intruders! Get them!
Better move on.
I reckon your crossbow could get us inside the temple.
That must be
We need to
their
find your
work.
rope. You see that? They've barricaded the temple door. There should be a way to open it.
Yes, leave it.
Sure, I'll find you here.
No.
Hiding over there.
What do we do, Amicia?
Follow me! We have intruders! Over there! Get them!
They're coming!
Full alert! Kill those intruders! Over here! Don't let them get away!
They saw us!
Found them!
What do we do, Amicia?
You! With me! Stop this intruder!
They're coming!
Full alert! Kill those intruders! Take this! Follow me! We have intruders! Spread out! They can't be far!
Could be there's a rope on one of those roofs. That's all we need to get inside the temple. Good advice.
Easy to find you, Austin.
They saw us!
You're not going to be hitting for long.
But slavers don't get arrested by soldiers. No. Why? It's horrible.
A lot can happen when there's money to be made.
Don't try and run away. They were just here.
What do we do, Amicia?
Well, seems you're done.
They're coming!
What we got here?
They saw us!
Catch! What the? What's going on?
He was murdered. Cremated? Can't be. Whoever did... Oh!
You hit me! I'll make you pay!
But why are there slavers? Why here?
They're everywhere. Just like murderers, traitors. You know these people exist, Hugo.
Yes.
Can't believe it. He's taking a nap. Burnt to ashes. He was murdered. We got an intruder.
There's another rope here.
Well spotted. That's a way in.
Let's go before more come.
Yes. Yes. Good work.
Are we safe?
I think. For now.
For now.
I know.
Amicia, why are there slavers? Why here?
It's just bad luck.
Not only, they let them come here.
So, we've got a rope here.
I need your help, Sophia.
My pleasure. Let's see what this does. Ah, it's a chandelier, I think.
It looks heavy.
The chain still looks pretty solid. I'm pulling. Go on.
It's going to be loud.
Loud indeed. We should move. Agreed. The fort's ahead. Good.
Why didn't my dream show the slavers to me?
Dreams rarely show the whole truth.
But it lied to me. To bring me here. We were supposed to be healed.
What dreams don't give, we can take, Hugo.
It's exhausting, but it's life.
Let's see what can be done. Much better.
It's all right. It will be over soon. To hell with this shit. You got a problem, Diaz?
Well, these things come out of the ground to eat us. Our slaves escape. And now what? You're wasting what remains for that mad countess?
Wrong! We're not working for her anymore. It's all in a fresco. The rats announce the coming of the child. And you've seen how hungry they are. So it's simple. We please them, we please the child. We buy ourselves a seat next to his throne. then the Count will bow before us, and the world will follow.
So tell me, how many of us will feed the rats before we see your child?
You have so little faith. But you keep backing me! Anyone else? Fine. Let's begin. The blood will show the child the way to the chapel. Dear Diaz here has the honor of starting it.
Goddamn maniacs.
We have to help them.
It's already too late.
I'll stop them. Wanted to save them.
Hugo, you don't kill people just like that.
Why? You do it all the time.
Because...
And I can kill quicker than you.
You don't attack people by yourself. You listen to me and do as I say. Is that clear?
I don't care. They're all dead now anyway.
Hugo!
What the hell?
Hugo, listen! Ah. Hugo! What was that? This is madness. You never said what? Oh, by the way, my brother controls rats and gets them to eat people. You'd have run away. And I didn't want you to. It was wrong, yes. But I thought this place would give us a chance. I thought you wouldn't have to see us like this.
Just go talk to him. I need some time.
I understand. Hugo, I know you're upset. And I know you wanted to help. But killing people, even bad people...
They're just like the Inquisition. Like Rodan. They do whatever they want to other people.
And sometimes they force us to act, yes. But just let me take that decision, please.
All this... It's not fair.
I know. It will stop once we find out how to heal you. Come here. I think we owe Sophia an apology.
Sophia? I'm sorry.
I am too.
Yeah. Well, let's just walk.
Are you... all right?
Letting it sink in.
Yes.
Rats.
Yes. What's over there? Yeah! I think I found something. Climb up.
Uh-huh.
Lord, they use this tree to chain up slaves.
That's what they do.
Look.
Is it?
A ragdoll.
There was a child here. Charming.
A child slave. That's possible? It's not, is it?
I'm sorry.
They took their doll away.
You should put it back.
They couldn't even bring it with them.
But maybe they escaped. That's what's most important.
Yes.
Come, Hugo, let's leave.
right.
Milo's work.
He said the blood would show the child the way to the chapel.
So there's something there.
I'm scared of what it is.
Freaks! How long do we need to keep these bodies hanging?
They're here. Stay low.
Until the rats come back, and the child follows. Oh, this could take forever. No, this time's the one. The rats are here. That never happened in all the years before. Milo's doing whatever it takes to get there, and he's right.
Madness. Let's focus on Aelia and that chapel.
Poor girl didn't have much of a brighter future.
They're an army.
You know what's waiting for us inside the fort, right?
I do.
Intruders reported! Oh no, he's been killed!
That one.
Intruders in the area! Get loose! Let's catch these bastards! Dead. The killer's around.
Milo said he worked for the Countess. She and the Count probably gave him this place.
A piece of land and the right to sell. Shh. Quiet.
Hey, you, what's wrong?
Look out! Someone's attacking us!
Could be hiding anywhere.
Easy to find you now.
She's going to see us.
Found him!
They know we're here.
Split up! Don't let the bastards get away! We'll do.
Wasting my time. What? Wasting time. Better move on. Who did this?
Out of the way. That's for the slaves.
We really need to get out of this mess.
What's that?
So,
They're coming.
I see them!
Those ancient walls. There'll be an opening.
We shouldn't go.
I agree. We need to. This mess means something.
Where was that?
He's coming this way.
Eyes open! We've got intruders! Come on, let's go!
They know we're here.
Those bastards there! Catch them!
I see him! This way!
I found them! Those bastards there! Catch!
What do we do, Amicia?
Intruders here! Follow me! Let's go! That's for you! Eat this, bastard! That's it! Move that cart to the chapel. It'll be the last one. Raise the bridge.
What are they doing in that chapel?
Bridge is raised! No one comes in!
really need to go.
Notice.
Those ancient walls. There'll be an opening.
We shouldn't go.
I agree. We need to. This mess means something.
Move your ass! We've got intruders!
Let's try through here. Fine.
The dancing, the music, the flowers.
Hey.
The windmills.
Hey, you.
What?
I know it's hard. Please, stay focused.
Yes.
That's our way in.
This fort is bad.
It probably is. But we're still together.
We are.
Make sure there's no one still breathing in the cart.
They're right there.
They all look pretty dead to me.
Make sure.
Hey, what?
Bloody...
you?
Amicia!
No, no!
Kill you!
Get your hands off! No, please! Pull him away! You're right! Thank you.
Amicia!
Hugo, it's over.
I didn't know what to do.
It's all right. You did well. You let us do it. We have to go now. Come on. How are you doing, Sophia? I promised myself I'd never do that again. I'm really sorry, but I'm glad you did.